Welcome back, guys. Today is Friday, so you already know that I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be making a tropical fish bowl. So I have grenadine, I have Bacardi mango flavor, I have a Welch's guava pineapple, and I have pineapple orange, and then I have some peach snaps. So I'm going to start with some pineapple orange juice. I'm going to add a little bit of peach snaps. Just going to pour it in here. Just for taste. Then I'm going to add my Bacardi mango. I'll probably do like 4 shots. Our Welch's guava pineapple juice. I'm gonna add in some fruit. Actually should have did this at the beginning, but I forgot. And I have limes and lemons and oranges. And then I'm going to add in some of the grenadine for color. I'm just going to garnish it with a orange, and I have a lime as well. A lemon. Then I have my straw. There you have it, my tropical fish bowl. And of course, I just mix stuff together that I like, and just to give people ideas. So if you like this, just let me know down in the comments below, and then as well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye bye.